We have sent you with the truth, bringing good news, and giving warnings. You will not be questioned about the inmates of hell. O you who believe! Do not approach the prayer while you are drunk, so that you know what you say, nor after sexual orgasm, unless you are traveling, until you have bathed. If you are sick, or traveling, or one of you comes from the toilet, or you have had intercourse with women, and cannot find water, find clean sand and wipe your faces and your hands with it. Allah is pardoning and forgiving. O you who believe! Intoxicants, gambling, idolatry, and divination are abominations of Satan's doing. Avoid them, so that you may prosper. Satan wants to provoke strife and hatred among you through intoxicants and gambling, and to prevent you from the remembrance of Allah, and from prayer. Will you not desist? And from the fruits of date palms and grapevines, you derive sugar and wholesome food. In this is a sign for people who understand. The likeness of the garden promised to the righteous, in it are rivers of pure water, and rivers of milk forever fresh, and rivers of wine delightful to the drinkers, and rivers of strained honey. And therein they will have of every fruit, and forgiveness from their Lord. Like one abiding in the fire forever, and are given to drink boiling water, that cuts up their bowels.